morning, guys. We're playing tennis today. Honorary members of the tennis club. They're about to call me Roger Federer. You see my bandana and shit. Okay. There's a GoPro set up. I don't know if that'll work, but we suck. What's up, guys? We're jet skiing today. Look at this fucking awesome ass view. Oh my gosh. I wish you could see my face, but you can't right now because I don't even know if you can hear this audio because I got this thing wrapped up in a case and the wind is blowing like crazy. So great fucking day. Love California. Glad to be out here. Look at this, look at this. Beautiful. What's up, guys? Just got back to the hotel. Jet skiing was super fun. That's like my second time ever jet skiing. My first time ever like driving it. So it's pretty fucking sick. We're just gonna hang out in the pool right now, and then tomorrow we're leaving at night. So the trip's about to be over, and I don't know. I'm just really happy to be here. Great place, great vacation. Everything's just awesome. So get back to you guys. Those are really close. Oh no. Those over there that are wrestling are really close.
The what?
The ones that are wrestling right next to this guy.
Oh yeah, the Asian guy right here.
Asian. They're just playing a game. Could a seal fuck you up?
No.
You think a seal could fuck you up?
I mean, there's a big mouth and a bite. Works like the big mouth. That thing's probably like 200 pounds.
It's probably very heavy.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking, like, if you punch one, would it back down?
I don't know. I mean, other than biting you, it's all.
It just flops on you.
Like the guy the pink is. It looks like his foot.
Dude,
I'll take a picture.
They look mad cute, not gonna lie. They look like potatoes with flippers. Whoa, that light is bright. What's up, guys? Kanak is out there pissing. You can't see that though. It's fun. Last night here in San Diego, we got this little bonfire going. It's not ours, so we took someone else's, but we gotta fire it up with our own little stuff. Probably get some s'mores out here rolling. But other than that, fun day, fun trip. Tomorrow, I don't really know what the plans are, because we leave at 9 p.m. So we have a whole day to mess around, do whatever we want. But I think it's Nack's last night, so farewell to them. It's been a long day without you, my friend. Peace, peace, peace. Subscribe.